Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video we are going to be learning how to add a payment method to your Battle.net account. Whether you're looking to purchase a new game, subscribe to a new game, or buy in-game content, adding a payment method to your Battle.net account is essential. First of all, launch the Battle.net application on your mobile device, or you can also navigate to Battle.net on a web browser. After you are logged into Battle.net account, from the home page, tap on your profile icon at the top left corner. From the expanded menu, click on Account drop-down. Under Account, click on Account Settings. After opening up Account Settings, tap on Payment Methods. Under Payment Methods, tap on Add a new payment method. Now select the payment method type from the list. You can choose credit card, PayPal, or any other payment method if available in your region. After selecting any one payment method, tap Continue. On the next page, enter your payment method's details. If you've chosen credit or debit card, you'll need to enter your card details, expiration date, CVV code, and then enter the billing information. After selecting the payment method, you'll be asked to enter the billing information. Select your country or your region, enter your name, address, and city's information, and tap on Continue. After entering your billing information correct, on the next page, type in your card details. If you've selected PayPal, log into your PayPal account to link it and provide your information correctly. After entering all the necessary information, you can easily add the payment method to your account. If you see an error message that says something went wrong, this may occur if your payment method is not supported in your registered country. Ensure that your billing address matches the country associated with your Battle.net account, and if your information is correct, you will be able to add a payment method immediately. After adding a payment method, you can then go ahead and purchase new games according to your choice. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.